O gracious universe, as the new year dawns, grant us strength as we tread an unknown lands. Guide our steps with wisdom, light, and grace. Illuminate our paths, each challenge we face. May hope be our beacon through trials and fears. Let kindness and love erase all our tears. Grant us courage to chase dreams far and wide, to embrace every moment, to stride with pride. As the clock resets, may our hearts align. With compassion and joy, may our souls entwine. May this year be filled with peace and cheer, bringing blessings abundant far and near. In this journey ahead, as we turn the page, let us write stories of unity, not rage. With gratitude, we greet this year anew. Grant us strength, O universe, to be true. So here's our prayer for the days to come. Grant us the grace to shine like the sun. Bless us with love that knows no bound. In this new year, let harmony resound.